Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. Today, we will be exploring a fascinating topic, the GPS-based torpedo and locomotive tracking system. On this first slide, you can see the title clearly displayed. We'll be discussing how this innovative system works, its applications, and the benefits it offers. So, let's dive in and discover how GPS technology is revolutionizing tracking in these critical areas. Let's talk about the customer requirements that drove this project. JSW Steel wants to develop a system to optimize how the torpedoes are moved around the plant. Essentially, they need a way to track these torpedoes in real time, which brings us to the GPS system. This system must be installed in every torpedo and should provide live updates on their location. But it's not just about tracking. We also need to ensure this GPS system works seamlessly with their existing infrastructure. That means integrating it with the current weighbridge and SAP systems already in place at the plant. Synchronization here is key, as it allows for smooth data flow and better overall management. Another critical point is the harsh environment in which these GPS units will operate. The external temperature of the torpedoes can reach around 250 degrees Celsius, so we need to design proper encasing for the GPS system. This casing must withstand such high temperatures to ensure the system functions reliably. Since providing a direct power connection isn't feasible, we have to incorporate battery backup into all the GPS units. This way, even if there's no power supply, the system remains operational. Finally, this system will take input from the existing setup, process it, and generate output related to specific key numbers assigned to each torpedo. It will also produce reports based on certain checkpoints, helping JSW Steel monitor and optimize torpedo movement efficiently. All these requirements are about creating a smart, integrated system that enhances safety, efficiency, and real-time decision-making in their operation. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, we'll break down the key points to understand the process thoroughly. Essentially, this slide explains the core mechanism behind our solution. It's important to see how each step connects to the overall theme of improving efficiency and effectiveness. When we talk about how it works, we're focusing on the flow from input to output and how our system simplifies or enhances that journey. By understanding these details, you'll see how everything comes together to deliver real value. So, as we go through each point, keep in mind the bigger picture of creating smarter, more seamless experiences. Let's take a closer look at the hardware details of our system, starting with the GPS tracking device, which is the core component responsible for real-time location monitoring. It ensures accurate tracking and data collection. Moving on, we have the solar panel and its controller. The solar panel harnesses solar energy, providing a sustainable power source, while the controller manages the energy flow effectively. The battery, which is a 12-volt, 120 ampere-hour unit, stores this energy to power the device even when sunlight isn't available. We also have a battery charger that ensures the battery remains charged and ready for use. An important feature here is the solar panel, designed specifically for external battery charging. This means the solar panel can directly charge the external battery, reducing the need for manual intervention. Speaking of which, the external battery is connected to the GPS device to ensure continuous operation, especially in low-light conditions. And a quick note to highlight, the solar panel not only supplies power, but also prevents the need for manual charging of the external battery. This setup makes the system highly efficient and self-sustaining, aligning perfectly with our goal of creating a reliable, low-maintenance tracking solution. Let's take a closer look at the core components of the GPS-based torpedo car tracking system architecture. First, we have the GPS satellite, which provides the crucial latitude and longitude data. This information is received directly from the satellite and gives us the precise location of the torpedo car. Next, this position data is collected from the GPS device installed on the vehicle. Once gathered, it's transmitted via the GSM GPRS network. Think of it as the communication highway that sends the data wirelessly. This data then reaches the application server, where it's processed and stored, enabling real-time tracking. This flow, from satellite to GPS device, through the GSM network, and into the server, forms the backbone of our entire tracking system, ensuring we always know where each Torpedo car is at any given moment. Let's take a closer look at the software overview dashboard. This slide highlights the core interface that users interact with daily. It's designed to provide a comprehensive view of all critical data points at a glance. The dashboard serves as the central hub where you can monitor key metrics, track progress, and quickly identify any issues that need attention. What's really important here is how intuitive and customizable the dashboard is. You can tailor it to display the most relevant information for your specific needs, making it a powerful tool for decision-making. This aligns perfectly with our overall goal of creating a user-friendly platform that empowers users to stay informed and act swiftly. Remember, the dashboard isn't just about data display. It's about enabling proactive management and fostering efficiency across your operations. That's the essence of what makes this feature a vital part of our software. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate your time and attention throughout this presentation. I hope you've gained valuable insights and a clearer understanding of the key concepts we've discussed. Remember, the ideas we've explored are all about driving growth, fostering innovation, and creating meaningful impact. If you take away anything, let it be the importance of applying these principles in your own work and projects. Once again, thank you for your engagement and interest. I look forward to seeing how you implement these ideas moving forward.